Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start! Today, we're going to see how to blue comment in TikTok. TikTok highlights words and phrases in blue that are relevant to the video. Therefore, the first thing you should do is watch the video and listen to the words and phrases used by the creator. Next, type the keywords and phrases in a comment. If other comments have blue text, use those words and phrases in your comment. Next, check your comment again after a few minutes. TikTok doesn't turn your comment blue immediately. So, watch other videos and then look for your comment. So, you may ask, why isn't my comment turning blue? TikTok chooses to turn comments blue based on its algorithm. TikTok uses its algorithm to turn comments blue if the words are relevant to the video.